up, Powerstroke Nation? My name is Austin, and welcome to the Powerstroke YouTube channel. If you're new, stick around. Hit that subscribe button. Today is going to be an awesome day, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back, and I'm very, very excited, and I know you guys are as well. So right now, I'm sitting in my truck. I'm waiting to get a key for a shop, because that's where I'm going to be wrapping the truck. Awesome friend, absolutely awesome friend is letting us use his shop, so thank you very much. So it is 8:18 in the morning. I've already been at work for 2 hours on a Saturday, or sorry, an hour on a Saturday. I've been up for 3. Just super excited. I could hardly sleep last night. Getting a little bit later of a start than I wanted. I wanted to be started at like 6, and so that way I had a really long time, because this is going to be a huge learning curve. I got to dismantle the doors, pull the door handles off, pull the mirrors out, tail lights, headlights, grill, like all that stuff has to come off, and I wanted to get as early of a jump as I could on the truck. Now I have all the rest of today. I'll probably work pretty late tonight and all day tomorrow to do this, so I'm really crossing my fingers that I can wrap the truck in 2 days. So I got the bed caps off, as you guys can see. Those are a major fight. The easiest way to deal with those is on the underside. There's little clips, like you can see where the little clips come through the bed. Those clips on that bed rail are a huge fight. The easiest way to deal with them is to get a snub nose set of pliers, grab them and deform them. Those were a huge fight. I did that last night. I'm sorry I didn't record it, but I wanted to get that done as fast as I could, because as everybody knows, when you YouTube something, it takes quite a bit longer. You got to think about editing and all that stuff. I don't think this truck will be too hard to wrap. It doesn't have any hard angles or anything that's very strange. The only part that I've really been concerned about is where those little ridges are that hide the welds on the cab. And then these two rear windows, trying to fold that in to make it look nice. Those are my only 2 spots that I'm a little bit shaky on and a little nervous to do. Everything else I'm very confident that I know I can do it. It's not going to be that hard. I'm going to sit here and wait, and I'll see you guys when we get to the shop.
One eternity later.
All right, you guys, we're officially at the shop. I had to throw my red hat on just to match the red Porsche behind me. Pretty sweet. So here we are. Oh man, I got the JBL on. I just got a text. Sorry about that. So we're going to start by dismantling the doors, because I got to pull the door handles off, and those are going to be the most challenging parts. So I'm going to be pulling this whole window out. Same thing with the other side, pulling the door panel out so that way I can get to this door handle, get this pulled off. And we're going to start dismantling. I mean, mirrors coming off, all this rubber is coming off. It's just going to be a pretty quick dismantle, and then we'll get to wrapping. Well, I thought I hit record. One door panel's already out. All right, you guys, we got this side of the truck all stripped down. This window was not coming out, so this is going to be a little bit of a tricky one. I have it loose so I can pull back, tuck the vinyl in there. Here I'm going to have to get tricky with one of my tools. This little guy here, I'm just going to have to tuck the vinyl in there. That's going to be kind of a challenge, because I couldn't figure out how to get that window out. But without further ado, we're going to get some cleaning stuff on this side. We're going to put our first sheet of vinyl. seen it get done, you've seen the aftermath and how awesome it looks, but I want to talk about it. So it was quite the feat. I mean, you guys saw what happened when I tried to wrap something, you know, wrapping in between the windows with that gloss black and how awful that turned out. Jumping to something like this was totally just so jumping to doing something like this was absolutely crazy and honestly a little bit stressful. But as you guys saw, I did get it done. The truck is all wrapped, and yeah, I did it by myself. Would I ever recommend to somebody to wrap their vehicle? Yeah, it's quite the challenge. You got to be patient with it. I mean, it took me a whole day to learn how the product worked, and then the second day I rocked through it and got the rest of the truck done. It's quite the learning curve. But once you get it down, it's actually not that bad. One of the big things is making sure that you have the right equipment, because I had the magnets, and those were honestly a major lifesaver for me. They held the vinyl up for me when I couldn't, you know, when you're trying to peel it, you can't really hold it and peel it at the same time, so you had to pin one side and peel it. Just make sure you have the right equipment. If you guys ever want to try to wrap something yourself, it will honestly make a world of difference. It was a ton of fun, a little bit stressful at times, and you know, if I had to do it over again, I probably would, but this time I would ask for help. But honestly, I am extremely happy with how it turned out. This is my first time ever wrapping anything, so of course there's wrinkles and it's not perfect. It's not a professional wrap job. I mean, I'm not a professional, so, but for what I did and how cheaply I did it, I mean, I paid for the roll and did it myself. I mean, you can't get much better than that. $600 for a vinyl wrap, for a job, vinyl wrap job, not bad. $600 to get your truck wrapped, not quite a bad deal. So I want to thank every single one of you so much for watching. None of this would have been possible without you. You guys are helping make my dreams come true, so thank you so much. And I honestly owe this all to you. So thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to grab some merch, and if you're new, hit subscribe. I mean, come on, it's only up from here. We just wrapped the truck. It's going to be a lot more fun. And you know what, Stradman? If you're ever back in Oregon, man, there's another purple rig waiting for you. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.